The Suzuki Fronx combines compact crossover, styling with modern technology, and practical everyday. usability. The front exterior features a bold grille, designed with sharp LED lighting, and modern crossover styling the side profile. Presents sporty proportions while maintaining compact practicality for urban driving. The rear design includes modern lighting elements and sculpted styling for a refined appearance. The interior offers a practical cabin layout with comfortable seating and a driver-focused dashboard design. Infotainment system provides connectivity, navigation support, and essential driving information through a Monjanis, designed to deliver balanced fuel efficiency and smooth driving performance for everyday use. The vehicle focuses on fuel-efficient performance suitable for city driving and longer journeys. Safety technologies include parking assistance, stability control, and modern driver support systems. The driving experience is smooth and comfortable, with compact handling suitable for urban environments. Routine maintenance includes regular engine oil replacement, fluid inspections, and scheduled servicing, maintaining proper tire pressure and brake system. Condition improves safety, stability, and efficiency. The cabin provides practical passenger comfort and cargo flexibility, suitable for daily lifestyle.